How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be doing a video on how to disassemble and clean the shield. First off, I want to apologize for the quality of the video. I had a light go out and that has kind of impeded on the quality, but that is going to be improved in the future. So we're doing this because I've had this guy for about a year and I need to remove the casing, get the dust out, put it back together. Haven't had any issues with heating or anything like that, but I figured this would be a good chance to see how much dust has accumulated in 1 year. And to do this, guys, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. I got a small one. I can't get the camera to focus here, so we have 2 screws on the back of this guy, 2 Phillips head screws. We have one here and one here. All we need to do is remove these 2, and I'll better pull this casing back. Okay, I'm removing these screws now. Now, anytime you remove these screws, make sure you set them aside somewhere where you know you're not going to lose them. I'm going to set them over here. Alright, guys, so to get the casing off, all we have to do is apply a little pressure to push this guy back. So grab it, so you see the ridges here. So all you need to do is grab it like this, apply your thumbs here, and pull back. Pulling back will let the clamps loose, and now you'll see a ridge like this, and from here you'll be able to just pull it straight out. And that's all there is to it. You don't need a screwdriver, you don't need a flathead, you don't need to pry anything. I have had 0 damage doing this. So all you need to do is push it now, like so, and we're gonna lift this up. Now there is a black and red wire connected. I'm gonna show you that now. Get this turned. So here it is right here. I'm gonna have to pull that out. And here's my flathead screwdriver, guys. So as you can see here, I'm just applying a little pressure with the screwdriver, popping this guy up, and there it is. That's all there is to it. We're gonna move this aside. And now with this open, guys, you can see the accumulated dust that is in here. Got some on a fan, got some built up right here. Now this is only after a year's time of use, so you can imagine that it can be important to clean this out. I mean, you can see this dust moving with my finger there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to spray this dust out, and we're going to put it back together, and we'll be good to go. Alright, guys, so I want to do a close-up video with my phone here. My webcam isn't doing it justice due to the lighting and the autofocus that keeps occurring. So here's what it looks like. Here's the red and black wire that I was talking about before. As you can see, I'm going to get it to focus here. It's probably as good as I'm going to get it, but there's the black and red wire. And here is the port that it came out of, right there. And as you can see, here's a close-up of the dust. The fans are pretty dusty. As you can see there, got some dust built up on this mount here and between the fan. And also there's the dust I moved around with my finger. But yeah, this guy is in need of some dusting. Alright, guys, I just finished dusting this guy using the air duster, and it looks much better. You can see the fan doesn't have any dust built up there. No dust between the fan and the mount there. Again, I apologize for the poor quality that you're seeing here. I will do my best to improve this. This is all due to a light that went out not too long ago. So what you gotta do now is put this guy back together, and we'll be done. All you need to do to put this guy back together is put this red and black wire into the port, close this guy back up, put the screws in, and we're good to go. That's all there is to it. Alright, guys, all you gotta do is sit this guy down and push it back the same way, in reverse the same way we took it off. Put the 2 screws in, and we're done. I'm not going to bore you with this part. I'll go ahead and stop the video here. But guys, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you in cleaning your shield when the time comes. I am glad I cleaned mine out because it did have quite a bit of dust built up, and if I wouldn't have cleaned it out, it's only going to shorten the life of the device. Also, make sure you read up on your warranty. I don't want you guys breaking warranties to clean your device if it's under a year old. I don't recall what the warranty is on this, but please read into that to make sure that following my instructions will not void your warranty, because that's important. If this guy dies before your warranty runs out, you can replace it. But guys, I'm going to stop it here. Hope Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that share, like, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing much more videos in the future, some like this, some much different. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.